The following video contains a farewell speech given by Amil sir, who is currently Vision IS faculty member.
Do with yourself rather than family members, because it brings undue pressure, so many things. And third important thing, those who are preparing for 2024 are already in the war zone. Those who are preparing for 24, do not think that you have ample of time. You honestly don't realize that you have ample of time. So please, जो भी कीजिए, use your time very today. Every single day from dawn to dusk you must use enough today. आप समझ ही नहीं सकते एक दिन जो बीता. Every day is something, an asset which you cannot buy. Use time judiciously. And what you call one thing which is very important that I always maintain, that please try to keep it a low-key affair. Do not share with a lot of people. They have so much aspiration. Start saving your number, IAS, 8 Kumar. So please share, and then you will succeed. The world will see. Okay. So all the best, and my best wishes are with Okay, no. My experience with the aspirants is that I think that you must understand the relevance and value of time. That is, एक दिन जो बीतता है सुबह से शाम तक, मैं literally I cannot tell you, you cannot buy that time day. So please understand the. And one more thing, you say कि चलो मस्ती करते हैं, सुबह से शाम तक you plan कि चलो मस्ती करते हैं, ना मस्ती की ना पढ़ाई. So if you want to do masti, do it for 2 days, then get back to study. Realize the importance of time. And one thing, many people don't know. Many people don't qualify just because of one thing, that they don't know that they can qualify. बहुत से लोग इसलिए नहीं क्वालिफाई करते कि उनको मालूम ही नहीं है कि वो क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं. This is an open exam. Literally, I can give you example till tomorrow morning. I know people who cannot phrase one line also. They have also gone to qualify. This is an open exam. इतने examples I know. People who don't know to. So over the period of time, this exam, never think that it is open only for the. There are so many examples. People who have scored 40, 45, 50% in class 12 have also gone to qualify. So please understand, this is an open exam. This is an open exam. Never think that you can't. Because if you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you are right. I'm just kidding. If you think you can, you can. So please understand that Bhojpuri song suna dijiye. So that is something which is, please, whatever you do, understand the importance of time. Too much. Please all have confidence in you, and please be calm, and what you call very calm. Patience is something that is the key. Tension nahi. Please do not take stress. Okay, all the very best. I know many of you would be. I will be, and when you qualify, I'll be very happy. I'll watch those Insta reels. Thank you. God bless.